All right, let me show you something different. 6634 Lime Kiln Drive out in Diamond, Missouri. This one's not just a house. It's 6.3 acres, completely rebuilt from the ground up. Step inside and the whole place opens up. Luxury vinyl plank floors, windows on every wall, and a staircase that just anchors the whole room. Upstairs, the bedrooms sit under vaulted ceilings. That cozy cabin in the woods feeling, built right in. Downstairs, there's a bonus flex space with real wood beams and a rustic plank ceiling. Call it a rec room, a studio, whatever you need it to be. And the bathroom: vessel sink, gold framed mirror, mason jar lighting. It doesn't feel like a farmhouse fixer. It feels finished. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath, 1,590 square feet on 6.3 acres, $240,000. If you've been dreaming about land, about space, about something that's actually yours, this is the one to go look at. I'm Gary Mishler, Bobby Jean Team, Pro 100 Realtors. Let's go see it.